Hi, welcome back to my STYFLY channel. Today's video is about Central Park Damansara. Before that, let's pray for Palestinian and free Palestine. Central Park Damansara is a mixed development that comprises of serviced residences, offices and retails. Located in Damansara Perdana, is part of the Golden Triangle of Petaling Jaya. Central Park Damansara. This project is surrounded by mature neighborhoods like Mutiara Damansara, Bundar Utama, Damansara Utama, Kota Damansara, Taman Tun Dr. Ismail, and Tropicana, serviced by a network of major highways, expressways, roads and public transports. Shopping malls, restaurants, educational institutions, medical centers, recreational parks and a wide range of amenities are all within easy reach. Total size of the mixed development 65 acres, will have 10 plots. Currently has been launched 4 phases, which is Phase 1, Quince, Phase 2, Vervain, Phase 3, Cosmos, Phase 4, Derica, Phase 5, Clover and Phase 6, Terra. Happy 60th Malaysia Day to all Malaysian, and together we strive. Bye from STYFLY Studio. Please leave a comment and hit the like button if you enjoy the video. Finally, please subscribe and share my video. No cash is needed. Do follow STYFLY on Instagram and TikTok for daily updates on aerial skyline. Bye and stay safe guys.